Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a PDF to Apple Wallet. While Apple Wallet is great for storing things like tickets and passes, it doesn't directly support PDF files. But don't worry, there is an easy workaround. We'll be using an app called Pass2U Wallet to turn your PDF into a wallet-compatible pass. So you're gonna head over to App Store or Google Play Store and download the Pass2U Wallet app. And once it's installed, open it up. The layout is simple and easy to navigate. You're going to click on wallet over here, and then you can simply click on create pass option at the bottom, and you'll need to choose the type of pass you want, like a ticket or a coupon or a card. Simply type that down over here and pick the one that best matches your PDF. So you're going to simply type down coupons, and since this affects how it will appear in the Apple Wallet, so you're going to make sure that you got to select the one that best matches your PDF. So after that, you're going to import your PDF using the scan PDF feature. You can upload it from files, and you can also upload it from email, cloud storage if the app doesn't capture everything correctly. You can also enter the details manually, like you can simply type in the event name, date, or location. And if your PDF includes a barcode, QR code, make sure to add that as well. This is important for things like entry validation and scanning. So you can also personalize the pass by adding your name or any extra info to make it easier to recognize later. And once everything looks good, tap done and your pass will be added to Apple Wallet. And that's it. Now you can store and access your important PDFs right from your wallet. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.